All right, Tasha, thank you. Some breaking news. Mariah Carey has rescheduled her Honolulu concert, which was initially slated for next week, to November 28th. And that's all due to international travel restrictions related to the COVID-19 outbreak. Those who had tickets for her March 10th show can show those tickets at the November concert, which will take on a Christmas theme with Mariah Carey's hit All I Want for Christmas Is You. And that single just hit #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart in December, 25 years after it was released. And meanwhile, the coronavirus continues to make even more local impacts. Just into the KITV4 newsroom, the 26th annual Honolulu Festival, which had performances and events scheduled from Friday, March 6th through Sunday, March 8th, has been canceled. Organizers say the event has been canceled to help prevent the potential transmission of the coronavirus in Hawaii. And thousands are forced to cancel their trips to Hawaii after coronavirus concerns postponed the 13th Festival of the Pacific Arts and Culture, or FestPAC. Honolulu was supposed to host the event for the first time this June. Meanwhile, several stores across Oahu are either running low or out of toilet paper. The person who sent this photo says there wasn't a single roll on the shelves at the Ala Moana Target. And also, Long's Drug and Safeway stores reported shortages. And KITV4 did call other stores like Long's, where a worker said they only had 2 boxes of toilet paper left and were not expecting a shipment until tomorrow. And an update on coronavirus testing kits scheduled for today. Governor Ige is saying that he will show us a look at the state's testing facility in Pearl City. At last check, no confirmed cases in Hawaii because results from a second person tested for the coronavirus in the state came back negative. And the Department of Health reports 91 people across the state are under self-quarantine, most of them identified through screenings at Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. 6 people have died in Washington state because of COVID-19. 4 of them were residents at a nursing care facility in Seattle. And the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also reports 4 other people were infected in that same facility, bringing the total number of confirmed cases across the state to 18. Again, the best way to protect yourself: washing your hands often, avoid touching your face and mouth, and if you're sick, stay home.
And the more of these steps you take, this is what health officials call layered interventions, the better off you are. The more things you do, the more your family does, the greater safety they will have in this situation. Even if you do not think you're at risk of the virus, the steps you take to prepare will help everyone around you.
And there are now more than 100 confirmed cases across the United States and about 90,000 cases around the world.